Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fenugreek breast enlargement tea. So what you will need for this tea is fenugreek seeds, as well as ground nutmeg, a dash of lemon, some honey, a cup, as well as your strainer. So let's get started. So in a pot, you're going to scoop out 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. So here's 1, and here's 2. Next, you're going to measure 1 cup of water, and you're going to pour it in your pot. Next, we're going to add a half a tablespoon of ground nutmeg. Give it a good stir. Close your lid and bring it to a boil. So the fenugreek tea is now boiling, as you can see. So what we're going to do is turn off our fire. We're going to give it 1 good stir, and we're going to cover it and let it steep for 15 minutes. All right guys, so it's been 15 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Now at this point, you are just going to strain it. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty good. And then we're going to add our dash of lemon. So just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that. And then a little bit of honey. So I'm literally just going to add a very small dash. I think about that much is good. You can add as much as you want. And by the way, you don't have to use these exact ingredients like, nutmeg, honey, lemon. You can use milk, sugar, anything you like. So now we're just gonna give it a good stir. And it is ready to drink. So here is my fenugreek breast enlargement drink. It is very delicious. It is going to help you grow your breasts. So many women have been using this for many, many years. So definitely follow this recipe and let me know in the comments below any questions that you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.